Kayaking is one of our favorite things to do, especially in rugged, pristine wilderness areas. But by far, our best and most memorable experience was off the coast of Vancouver Island in Canada, where 1/4 of the world's remaining temperate rainforest grows right up to the shoreline, offering outstanding coastal scenery and an abundance of wildlife.
Paddled out from our beachside campsite, one of many free ones in the area. We kept our eyes trained on the water for those telltale signs of whales. What we thought were whales approaching turned out to be a super pod of Pacific white-sided dolphins. On rare occasions, multiple pods of dolphins will converge in an area of abundant food, and we found our kayak smack dab in the middle of one.
Whoa! Ah! Look, here they come. Right up behind us, John. Oh my God, there's hundreds. What is this all about?
Karen, how about it?
It's amazing.
Sitting around the campfire that night, we reflected on how blessed we had been to be so close to dolphins, bald eagles, porpoises, otters, and sea lions. However, we still longed for that definitive Vancouver Island killer whale experience. But what happened the next day exceeded anything we could have imagined.
Okay, there's whales ahead of us, behind us, right there behind John.
It's impossible to describe the feeling of having a whale surface next to your kayak. But it was something that we'll never forget. Our hearts were pounding as the killer whale swam around us and right under our kayak.
It's coming right for us, John. Okay, we're the luckiest people in the world, officially.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dream.